Take a moment to check out the 2017 Toyota Sequoia. This vehicle still has fewer than 110,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Here's an impressively capable and comfortable Toyota Sequoia, the full-size SUV that seats up to 8 adults in a safe, luxurious cabin. You'll love its vast cargo space, towing ability, premium infotainment tech, and strong, elegant stance. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, 8-cylinder engine, power liftgate, fog lamps, third-row seat, electronic stability control, leather steering wheel. Live large and make the most of every adventure. This Sequoia is waiting for you. Treat yourself to a road test and experience our dealership's outstanding customer service.